Today I'll tell you how you can use IQ option trading script for successful binary options trading. Yes, you've got it right. This is what's going to help you to get a profit today already. Ready to learn tricks of successful trader? Then let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can earn with only one indicator. I'll tell you how to manage it properly, how to open deals, and what's the point of this strategy. And before I'll tell you about the strategy, let's briefly analyze how to manage the chart, the indicator, how it's supposed to look like. So in the left corner, which is indicators, here we need only one tool in duplicate. We need moving average. We click it twice and set inputs that we need. I've already applied two indicators and let me show you their inputs. So in the first indicator, we fill in the period 11, choose EMA as the type and set green as a color, then we click save. Then the second indicator, same one, but the period is 56, type is EMA2 and the color is red. And it's a lot thicker. And now there are such lines on the chart. Green and red ones. You can see them right here. There's a red line and the green line. Let's figure out what do they mean and how to determine an entry point on them. First of all, we point attention to their intersection. As you see, there was an intersection here, right here, and there was an intersection here and right here. So when the green line intersects the red one, it means it's our entry point. But to understand which direction we should open a deal to, up or down, we need to understand first how this line intersects the red one. So let's see on the intersection example. This one, if the green line intersects the red one from bottom to top, then it means the growth. Okay, we enter with higher here. If the green line intersects the red one from top to bottom, then we open a deal with lower. But there are a lot of nuances here as well, what I'm going to tell you about in the process of trading on practice, so you understand it in details. Okay, before we start to trade, we need to choose the expiration time, which is the time from 1 to 1.5 minutes, the minimum one. What's also important, we choose the time of the candle 15 seconds. Why we did it like that? Well, it's because signals and indicators can come a little late, so we take it a little with little reserve. It's literally in 3-4 candles. It's going to be much more clear. Let's move to some more understandable currency, find an entry point, and I'll explain you in a particular example when you should enter a deal and when you should not. Okay, there might be an interesting entry point here. As soon as the green line intersects the red one, as you see, it's intersected strongly just now, but we need to wait for the deal's closure. We open a deal with lower as the candle is closed, but there's a chance of some flat here, some retracement, but then nevertheless the chart will go down. As you've seen, there was a growth before. We see an intersection, the green line intersects the red one, we can see it right here, and we open a deal with lower. As you see, there were a lot of red candles, so it's pretty much can happen that our deal is successful. Here we see 3 red candles. Now we definitely open a deal. I think it's perfect. Great, we earned, and our deal was successful. It worked out perfectly. As I've told you, I think now it's you get it yourself. How does it work? And let's find some more detailed chart and a signal to enter so you understand it for sure. But as we see, it's awesome. So an intersection was formed here. Let's open a deal with lower. We see there was a growth here and a big red candle. We see the green one which intersected the red one right now. Actually, we entered a little earlier because as we were opening the deal, the green line has not intersected the red one yet, as our candle was not closed and it could jump up anytime and it would not intersect. So it's better not doing like that. Wait for an intersection when the candle is closed, and we see the green line's intersection on the chart. It will be seen when the candle is closed that can intersect or not. Well, the deal was successful, but it was pretty dangerous, and I can explain you why. There was, as you see, a big fall down a big red candle, and logically some small flat could be formed here on a retracement. And after that, there is supposed to be a breakthrough either up or down, but we were lucky. Yep, the luck matters on the market too, guys. Our deal turned out successful, but such cases are dangerous. I find another great example of the case when you should not enter a deal at all. As it can happen sometimes, something like that. Hear me out. Look right here. There is a case when the first intersection, second one, third one, for a short period of time, and there is such a flat, and usually we can lose money or not earn them right here because such intersection happen because of volatility and because the price is in such a flat, and it's very dangerous to open a deal. It's better to wait for a big growth and a logical decrease. So here we see growth and then comes a fall. We can earn that way, but the deal was successful in general, so it's great, we move on. A big red candle was here, pretty confident one, and it's closed on a decrease as a big crawl back up. Okay, but we entered pretty high, so we hope we'll close this deal in a profit, because as we see there were big rollbacks, a huge shadow of the candle, so a decrease can pretty much happen here. Moreover, our indicator is working here as an intersection is right here. It's possible, moreover, before that there was a growth, as we see, and an intersection appear here. We hope we'll manage to be close on a profit here. Though, as I've told you in the previous case, after such big candles usually comes a small retracement, so it's dangerous. But we'll try to use it, trade on a trend, we'll see, I guess. Great, it worked out just awesome, and the deals closed in a profit. About 3-4 deals in a row are profitable, and we see the price is indeed falling down. We fixated the signal and it's an intersection. Awesome. We go on. Pretty interesting case here as well. Look guys, we can open a deal with lower. Yes, we're a little late already, but it's fine. Here's an intersection. As we see, the deal will be likely closed at a loss, but this is because we entered too late. If we did it in time, it would be different. Let's double deposit for the next deal and we'll earn on the strategy, not hurrying up. We enter with higher. There's a great intersection. In general, we see some pretty good breakthrough up, so we guessed right. It's just the deal keeps moving for some time. Maybe we should check the expiration time really attentively, because we need to watch it. If you made a mistake and set some big time, for example, then you can just miss your whole profit, just like it's happening with me right now. As originally the deal supposed to be closed about 30 seconds ago, but because of the fact I didn't check expiration time originally, it happens like that. Please don't make such a mistake, guys. So right now we have about 10 minutes till the deal's closure. It's a long time, but we hope it will be closed in a profit and the price will appear far away from the entry point. And as we see here, the deal successfully closed on a profit and our strategy worked out perfectly. By the way, if you want to find out more beneficial information about trading, how to earn, then follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. There you can find everything you need. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon in my next video.